هاي قول إن شاء الله. هاي Captain, show the world. What do you have to say about the game today? Today's game. Aye, show the world. Marlon Tobal. What can you see? Hey. Inshallah. Hey. Aj, what do you have to tell us?
Today,
No jokes, only business, inshallah. Hey, Jerere, what's up? National access, so the side.
good, inshallah.
Hey, Jerere, what's up? What do you have to tell me? What is your mind about today's game? Why you see me? Why are you looking at me? What's the man about today's game? You are looking at this guy just no Mongolonga. Hey, Aritka.
Today is another final.
Aye.
Another special place.
Aye.
We hope to win, inshallah. Come on, guys.
Aye. Mr. Arus, I'm Somali Hadlo. Mr. Arus, this game we are winning for you. We are using this game for your marriage. Captain Sodo. Aye.
Alex Salam.
Aye.
We talk tonight, inshallah.
Hey, Jerere, what do you have for today's game? Oh, Alanta, what do you have for today's game?
Inshallah.
Mashallah. Asiari Lungere. Hey, man, good game.
Inshallah, man, the game cool.
Sal Messi. Sal Messi. Hey, Jerere, what do you have to say about the game? Huh? Hey, Rastaman. What do you have to say about the game? No Mongolong, you are looking at it. Herrera, this guy is crazy. Oh, my son. National. What do you have about today's game? Aye, so what do you have to say about the game?
No free man.
No free man. Eat. One man, one seat.
Hey, because no free man.
I'm coming to you. This is our best cameraman, like Manta Shelly Hadda Dagal. What do you have to say about today's game? Mashallah. Hey, no free man. What do you have to say about the game? Inshallah.
Trust video.
No free man.
No free man.
Eat him, eh?
Yeah, eat him.
Oh, eat sal.
Eat, man.
Eat, eh? Today eat.
Eat full.
Eat full.
Yeah.
No problem, inshallah, eat muhim.
Eat him, man.
Aye. No free man.
Anybody got this, all
Asiani Lungere. Ashley. And this guy, Diaby said something. What do you also have to tell me? No joking. Only serious. Good, inshallah. So the hey. So the Mahakura, hey. Hey. وهاير إيشك مها جيم ماتك مود أو مع سنتة أو علنتة. Captain, show the world. What do you have to say about the game today? Inshallah, I say, show the world. Allah, Afghan. What do you have to say about the game today? Huh? What do you have to say about the game today? What do you have to say about the game today? Haj, National. What do you have to say about the game today? Aye. Inshallah. Aye. The big men are here. Mwalimu, game manta kawara. Aye. Gul inshallah. Aye. Wama asante. Gul muhimu wa inshallah. Ah. Aye inshallah. Aye. Aye. لكن اي لكن ان شاء الله ان شاء الله كان كوب كان وقاته معلم سودو اي game manta kawara. What do you have to say about the game win? وما سنت ان شاء الله. هاي